I'm going to install the discharge chute. It's got 4 holes. It fits over here. Supplied screws and bends on this left side. Just screws in there. I'm going to put on a new spark plug arrestor or deflector that came with it. So this goes in here. Okay, check the oil. There's a little trace amount in there. It says it takes 14 or 15 ounces. I think there's about an ounce in there. They give you a 14-ounce bottle. Here's the angle adjustment clamp. It's got little teeth in here. You just line it up and keep turning. It's really nice. It's got a nice angle you can use to whatever your height or what's convenient for you. It's a nice looking machine. It feels really good with these big wheels. On all these outdoor machines, it's always good to check your air filter. Especially if you start it up and it goes wah-ba-ba-bum, wah-ba-ba-bum, wah-ba-ba-bum. It doesn't smooth out. It's usually can be a bunch of things, but sometimes it's just a dirty air filter. Just pull the handle off, push down a little bit, pull up a little bit. This thing just pops out. It's kind of close to the tire a little bit. Pops back on there. And then when you're putting this back on, you put these down from the top. Put them straight down in. And then snap that shut. And if you have to change your spark plug, it's underneath this plug here, this cap. Pull it off. And there's your spark plug. You get a spark plug wrench to take that off, and then you need a little spark plug gauge tool to make sure that gap in there is the right gap. It just covers it back up. The weed eater wire on this unit, you string it through the outside holes, then bring it back around through the middle hole. It's like a little knot on the shoe or something. Bring it back through. And you get 2 of them. Shape Allen wrench and loosen these 2 nuts in here. And this just goes up or down to pick the height you want. I think if it's down real low, you could probably do some edging. Besides the 2 strings that are attached to the unit, it also comes with 2 other pairs, 4 other pieces of string. Okay, we're going to try the trimmer mower on this little pathway here to the park. See how it does. Got a variety of weeds. I guess the tallest is about 2 inches. I have it set on the lowest. Let's just plow through and see what happens. We have a lot of fields like this around here, and yards. Turn it on. Not supposed to tilt these that much, but I always like to rinse underneath when it's cool off. Rinse all the grass off underneath so it doesn't stink in the garage.